Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.
The product of two positive numbers. The product of two positive numbers is 120 and sum of their square is 289. The difference between them is dash. Minus plus 7, B minus 7, C minus 14, D plus 14, E either A or B. Can you find out? Product of two positive numbers is what? Let us take the product of two positive numbers as xy. Product is 120. Sum of their square is what? 287. So yeah, sum of their square is 289, right? Now see, what is the difference between them? X minus y the whole square is equal to, formula A minus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, right? X square plus y square 289 minus 2 into 120. Okay, so 289 minus 240, which is equal to 49. X minus y the whole square is equal to 49. X minus y is equal to plus or minus 7. Now answer என்ன வரும்? Actually square இன்னொரு side போறப்போ square root மாறும் கண்ணா. See, x minus y the whole square is equal to 49 அப்படினா x minus y is equal to plus or minus square root of 49. So plus or minus 7. Okay, square when it goes to the other side, அதுக்கு முன்னாடி plus or minus introduce பண்ணனும்.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, வா.
Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.